hello, people that once existed but don't anymore. I just randomly remembered we had this channel. Probably just my sick brain right now because I'm sick. But I just wanted to say hi and put something on this channel. I feel like we've all just really drifted apart from, not only from each other, but even from YouTube in general. I know Kirsten had some issues with her channel and she had to close it, but I mean, I'm still hoping she'll sometime get it back because I miss you, Kirsten. I guess Mickey and Ty are still doing videos. I'm still doing videos, technically. I just haven't for a while because I just haven't been in the right mindset and it's just a weird time right now for me and I can't find the right mood. But, you know, Loey hasn't made a video in God knows when, and Fergie as well, and Thomas, Thomas hasn't even posted on this channel anyway, so I kind of just miss you guys, and I miss talking to you, and I miss having any sort of interaction with you, even just seeing your videos and like commenting on your videos. I know a lot of people started making YouTube videos just because at the time it was a really cool thing to do, and then obviously just kind of thought against it and stopped making videos altogether. I really hope no one on this channel did that because I think you're all very, very talented and I think you're all very good, and no matter what you do with your lives, even if right now you have to focus more on something else, I just really hope that you all sometime come back to making videos because, yeah, I just think you're all really good at it and I just want to see some videos from all of you. I've started college here. It's just kind of an intermediate thing because I'm not actually gonna, you know, I just want to stay for a year here. I just wanted to go to school because if I didn't go to school and I just sat at home all day, it just wouldn't have been very productive, and yeah, I would have just really just sat all day and not do anything. So it's good to be in an environment. Plus, my schedule is really easy, and like I have like one class a day, or you know, I have free days and stuff like that. So it's really free and it's really good, and it's just a very good environment. But in the meantime, I'm working on getting my applications done, and hopefully I'll be accepted at a uni in the UK. Probably Scotland. I'm aiming for Scotland because Scotland is free. So I'm getting stuff done for that. I'm also working on like personal projects, like I want to finish my book and I want to write some scripts and I want to do a lot of crap. Because that sounds brilliant, you know, I'm doing so much crap. But yeah, I've just been working on my book and reading and writing a lot and just watching a lot of TV and movies, but like I have to point out that I watch TV on my computer, so that's a bit ironic. Right now I'm watching a lot of Community, and something I've discovered, and it's really good. It's a really good show. And I know Mickey is going to England right now, and I should have gone there as well right now to meet him, but I can't because I don't have any money right now, and trips are expensive. I hope you have an amazing time over there, and yeah, I just hopefully we'll get to actually meet one day, and not only Mickey but all of you, and I just really hope we could still be friends even though we never talk to each other anymore. But that's, you know, I'm just really sick. I don't even know what I'm saying or thinking, or I have an apple here, so if anyone wants an apple, yeah, Steve Jobs died, so we shouldn't really eat apples anymore. I don't know, I'm sorry. Woo! Thank you for watching this, you know, annual video on this channel. And I just hope someone will post in the future and just tell me what you're up to, and just tell me, you know, how is your life? Yeah, how's it going? How you doing? Just things like that. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. I miss making videos. I don't even know how to make videos anymore. Oh.